What's up, guys? It's Mike, Smokin Monkey, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and I hope you guys are all doing great out there. But today we've got to go break in the winch. And if you have a winch or you're planning on getting a winch, before you actually go out on the trail and start using it, it's recommended that you pre-stretch the cable and wind it up properly so that when you do go to use it, it's all wound up, because they don't come tensioned, they just come kind of loosely put on the drum there. So today we're gonna go do that, and it's actually just a good way to check your line and just do a regular maintenance. So if you do have a winch, this is a good monthly maintenance for you. And yeah, so let's go find an empty parking lot, or let's go find somewhere hopefully with a slant, because you want to have a little bit of load tension on there. So let's go see if we can find an empty parking lot today, and we'll get that done. And here we are. So I'm going to be using this tree today. It's not going to be anything crazy, just going to go roll it back down this little slope here and just let it wind up under some tension so that we get a nice tension on the spool here and everything is good to go. So you guys can see it's not tensioned whatsoever right now. So we'll get that going. I'm going to attach my tree saver and put on some gloves, because whenever you're dealing with a steel rope or steel wire, just make sure you have gloves on, because if there's any pieces that are fraying off, you don't want them going in your hand. And this is a good time to inspect everything and make sure that everything is good and there is no frays or damages in your line. As well, you can grease your line. I won't be doing that today because I don't have the stuff to grease it properly, but you can use all kinds of different oils or greases, from penetrating oils to whatever you want. But for my purposes today, I'm just going to be tensioning it. So let's get the tree saver set up and let's go. So now I've got my strap set up with my hook or D-ring, and when you put these in, you want to put them in all the way and then back it off a quarter turn so that it doesn't bind up on you and you can't get it out after, but it is still seated in there. Now I'm gonna move back about 50 feet, put this to free spool and bring her out, and then we're just gonna pull it up using the weight of the Jeep. So we are latched, everything is good. Now I have my girlfriend in there to steer. I'm going to start my engine, let it roll back, just so that I can get a little bit more line out and we can tension the full drum a little bit better. And I'm just going to watch the line, make sure it goes on nice and evenly. So you guys enjoy the ride. So far so good, it's going on nice and evenly, nice and spooled, very tight. And there's just enough slack that it's holding it in place. So we're almost done here. Well, I would call that a successful winding, other than my glove ripping because it's a piece of shit glove that came with the actual tow strap. When I was putting the tow strap around the tree, that's when this happened. But yeah, everything went well. It's nice and tight on here now. As you can see, it went evenly up until the last spool, which kind of does its own thing because it's already on there like 3 times. So it doesn't matter about the last little bit, but leave it out just enough. I'm gonna get a hook to attach it because it doesn't really attach around my light here, but I will get a hook to attach it. And for now, winch works, everything works, and so far so good. Now just pack all my stuff up and we'll be ready to get out of here. And one neat thing I really like about this winch is the magnetic controller. You can stick that thing anywhere and you're ready to go. Put it down, you don't have to get it dirty or look for it in the mud. And before I put everything away, I'll quickly show you guys this trail bag that I got. It's nothing special, but it comes with pretty much everything you need for when you have a winch. It's made by Trailmaster. Comes with this 4-inch by, I think it's 20 foot tow strap / tree saver, these shitty ass gloves, a chain so that if you need to use a chain instead of the strap, you got that, the D-ring or clinch hook or whatever it is called exactly, I can't remember right now, having a brain fart, and snatch block. Snatch block is really nice and handy in case you need to pull somebody else out or you need to pull yourself out and you're going on an angle or you don't have a straight shot at them. This will come in handy. So trust me, all of these things, once you have a winch, you're probably going to end up using sooner or later, and it's nice to just have them all. So just thought I'd share that with you guys, and let me know what you guys have in your trail bag for your winch and if I'm missing anything. The only other thing I want to get is one of those blocks that you get on the end of your winch there that hooks up to your actual hook. I don't know what it's called, but it's sort of like a circular block with a hook on it, and yeah, I guess I'll show you guys more once I get it. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was helpful to you and you guys can use some of those tips, because it was hard for me to find a video online that actually explained how to break in a winch before you use it, or pre-use break-in. So there you go. And that's also a good maintenance tip for anybody that wants to take their winch off, take their winch cable out, grease it, lube it, and put it back all nice and neat, because I know that they get all screwed up once you start using them. Sometimes they don't go on perfectly because of the way you're getting pulled out of something. So it's a good maintenance tip for you too. And let me know what you guys do for maintenance other than that, and what you guys have in your can't even think right now, what you guys have in your recovery bags, because I know I don't have everything, but I'm just starting out, so hopefully you guys can help me build my kit better. And I know today's video was a little bit short, but today's video, we were just taking care of business. Tomorrow we're gonna have a little bit of fun, and tomorrow we're actually going off-roading, and hopefully we don't have to, but we might have to test that winch. So if you've seen my other off-roading videos, then you know it's full send every time, and you guys, hopefully you're there for it. And believe me, you won't want to miss it. It's gonna be an awesome day. And it shouldn't be too many Jeeps, so we're gonna do a lot more off-roading, a lot more trails, a lot more going off into like random offshoots and stuff like that, just exploring, and yeah, just doing our own thing. So catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the craziness coming for this Jeep, because trust me, I've got lots of plans. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Peace. Ride safe.